In regards to yesterday's conversation, so many times I've had somebody come to me, a client or a friend, and they're asking me about what to do about this friend in their life that's actually making them feel really bad, this relationship they have with this person. And one of the things that stands out to me is that if this were a person that they were partnered with, or if this was a person they were dating, it would be much easier to have the language, even for them themselves reflecting on their own life, to say that this is not a good relationship for me. And that is because a lot of great information about how to be in relationship is relegated to the realm of romantic partnership when it comes to being selective, being intentional, looking for red flags. And so a lot of times people are tolerating things in their friendships that they would never tolerate from a potential partner, because they have not been given the language to understand that all intimate relationships are relationships. And it's still giving somebody access to you. Do they deserve it, and do they make you happy?